Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's video we are gonna be creating this look right here using just Wet n Wild product. Wet n Wild is affordable brand in Bangladesh. So yeah, if you want to know my viewpoint on that I'm using on this video, or just want to know how I create this look, then keep on watching. I'm moisturized. I'm starting first with foundation. I will not use any primer today because I have dry skin, and I am in the shade Desert Beige. This foundation give you medium to full coverage. I would prefer the foundation for people with dry skin. I'm now using Impact Mega mascara for my brows. I lost my Wet n Wild brow pencil, which is why I am using mascara. Now I am using a concealer to clean my brow bone and cover my dark circle also. As a result, if I give shadow, it will look better. And now to set my entire face, just so my foundation doesn't move, I'm using this Mega Glow Contour palette banana powder. I'm in the shade Caramel Toffee. I am now applying light purple matte color shadow from Wet n Wild color icon palette to my crease. Then apply the shimmery dark purple shadow to my all over the eyelid. Then I will make a tight line with the kajal and smudge it all with the dark shimmery purple shadow. The shadow palette is fairly good. This concealer gives you medium coverage and it's also good. But this foundation is very good, very good. It's a must-have foundation. Now I am using this Mega Glow contour palette for set my face and contouring. This contour kit also good. Contour powder is better than banana powder on this palette. Now I am taking this pink shimmery shadow to apply my lower lash line. The first half is pink shimmery shadow and the last half I am applying the dark purple shimmery shadow. After that I will take a bath with Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. I just love this highlighter. For those who like highlighter, please guys, must have this. This blush does not give me any color payoff. There are some small glitter which I didn't like at all, guys. It's a thumbs down product for me. I gave this separate clip because of I forgot to make a video while I applying the setting spray. Okay, the setting spray is also good. Mega Glow liner. This liner is not waterproof. but I like it very much because of its have very thin brush. Now I'm applying this fiber mascara. Look at the difference, guys. For me, this mascara I give thumbs up. Now I am applying lipstick. This is Give Me Mocha. Have you guys using Wet n Wild product? Let me know in the comment section below. And I also wanna know which one is your favorite product. Mine is highlighter, foundation and the liner. Here is the final look. If you enjoyed watching me, please hit the subscribe button and love you. See you soon.